Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'll be, doing another doubles video, and this time showcasing this little fella, Cacmeow. This has to be the cutest sweeper in the game, actually. That doesn't use an EV light, gold laminate, Plus, do you notice anything different? Well, it's because I edited my avatar a bit. Actually, I want you to rate this guy. I think he's pretty cute. We can get into the battles. I could show you this. We could talk more about the team in the end of the video. But the key thing here is we're using rain and sandstorm together. So let's see how this goes then. Ooh, okay. Seamstress. We got Seamstress. We got Springling. Actually, yes, I'm interested in how this go. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. So what we do here is we ball barrier and then we rainmaker. Right? I assume Seamstress might go for a scissor guard, and this guy will go for a nosedive or a hit and run, depending on what kind of gruff lane this is. Probably a no. Oh wait, if it's a nosedive, then we get massive damage on it. Since nosedive, you get the. Alright, yes, see, you get scissor guard. Okay, you get the bar barrier. Oh, is this a slow pivot? Okay, it takes out instead. Alright. And what's it goes into? Koryu? Because Koryu with quick eyes just what they call that, just immediately removes Cacmeow. To be honest, Koryu with quick eyes actually deals with my team. It's like half of it is earth. But like, he's definitely just going to Koryu. Oh no, Sling. Okay. So I think we Earth Surge, I guess.
Yes.
And Shockwave for chip, because not sure what we should do next. Maybe get something in. Oh yeah, Earth Surge hits everything. But we both move first, which is great. We take out the Seamstress. Okay. I was kinda confused if Earth Surge hit everything, and I'm glad it does. Quick strike. Okay, it's quick striking. Oh wait, no. We don't. We have protect. We have protect. Don't worry, the quick strike won't kill us. We've got protect. We've got protect. He goes into Koryu, right? Does he go into Koryu? Koryu to Grufflin? I think against Malzuri. We got this thing.
No.
Alright, yep. Barrier.
No, I can't do it.
What will do more damage though? Probably. Okay. Let's just go rainmake. Climate shot. Let's just go climate shot. That might be. Is that hidden trait? Hidden trait sumo? Alright, okay. Okay, let's just now try to
Let's go!
lay as much waste as possible.
Whoa!
We could just earth side here, I guess,
Let me,
because we definitely died to the Springling anyway.
okay.
Yeah, well, okay. We died to the Springling. Bam bam. We could attempt to like rip current it. Unless it decides to leaf blade though. What if it leaf blades? Okay, that was so close, unfortunately. Yeah. Okay.
No!
But the time of rain is over and now the time of sand will begin. Okay. The first part of my team is over now, the time of sand begins. We just actually we can sharpen. Okay, yes, let's just sharpen. Landslide, sharpen. Half of my team is air, half my team is rain, half my team is sand. We sharpen and we landslide. He can't kill us. Definitely can't kill us. Like the two earth things, the two bulky earth things are on field. Yep. Doesn't do much. Ooh. And then we hopefully we take out the sumo. I doubt it though. Yeah. We've got the flinch! Okay. We got the flinch. Nice. Now call you, right? He just goes into call you. I know you're going to call you a Malzeri. Like, what do you go into anyway? Come on. It's either one of those two. Battle's making me hungry. I'm eating right now. Yep. Quick eyes. Imagine if we live a quick eyes. Hopefully we do. If we don't, I think we lose. He's got Malzeri to deal with the Steam Knight. And this guy's team is actually pretty good. Oh! They doesn't have quick eyes. Nice. Nice. And we didn't miss the landslide. Let's go, RNG. Let's go. Running two weathers is very interesting.
Jump for the team.
When the first weather doesn't work, the second weather will just clean up. Oh, he ran out of time. What that was? Alright, another Springling. We have Rotera. There's a problem with this team. I'm not sure how to deal with Rotera.
Go.
Let's try this though.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, the thing about this. Earth Surge hits both Swarm. Earth Surge Swarm. Strong lead, I guess.
Everyone, this is
Strong. Like a strong lead, like just 2 moves that hit both opponents. Alright. Oh, that was a crit actually. Heal jelly. Yep. Here goes the rest. Oh, target, and it's dead now.
No! I fell!
I'm just going to Stays a Blade since sand is up. They're definitely gonna target Suicide Blade. So my maybe be quick thinking because I don't think there's. But I'm not sure what to do with the. Yeah, to be honest, I don't think we have anything super effective against moss. Oh, I forgot I got Code of Gold. I'm dead. Alright, yeah, my fault. Oops. Alright.
Just go a bit to the left, and then after like go left like this, like wait.
He's definitely got double-handed spike. Okay, here, this is something what I think would be good. Let's see how this goes. So he like rusts or something.
How did you lose?
Maybe we shadow lurk. And then we I have no idea how to deal with them. Cheese balls, I guess.
Can I please
Let's try the switching approach.
while this is happening? Please.
I wonder. Oh yeah, I wonder if Ghost activates. Yes, a Ghost activated. Okay. Ghost actually activated. Nice. Go Terra.
Whoa!
We lose this fight though, but interesting. Medical, Road Terra, Meltimall. Let's deal with like.
Whoa!
This team basically, what I call it, counters Seam Knight Seamstress. Like, I could see that. Come on, I wonder what he does now. I wonder if he's actually damage calculating it. Maybe that's why he takes so long, I don't know. Shadow Look. Rain.
What do you call that?
Right, let's just go Shadow Look, Rain. Okay, now we Shadow Look, Shockwave. Shadow Look, Shockwave? Shadow Look, Shockwave, I guess. Come on. Yep. Yeah, we lose. There's no way we outspeed like Springling and just one-shots go out with Leaf Blade. Goes into Medico. Oh no, Melting Maul. To be honest, let's just do something like Sword Sweep with Current. Because he definitely has priority over... Oh, okay. But I get +1 speed right now, so... Ooh, wait! Okay, wait! Wait...
I don't get it.
Medico... Ruterra... Goes into Medico most likely. He quick strikes? No, because the spy... Because we outspeed already. Let's just Sword Sweep again. Highly likely he'll target that guy. Let's Rip Current. He's definitely targeting that thing, Seam Knight. Okay. We're like still +2, +1